Hey guys, almost 4 years ago, I built my first Big Green Egg table, and I was looking for a cover for it. My brother-in-law recommended this company called the CoverStore. So I went online and I purchased this cover. This is the Elite cover, and they have a 3-year warranty. At about the 3.5-year mark, it finally started giving out. I recently, in the past week, added duct tape because we had some rainy weather coming in, and I did have some rips along the seams, but again, that was in March of 2019, and we're all the way in December of 2022 right now, so well over 3.5 years, and this cover has held up great. So since I had such good luck with this cover that I did purchase 100% in full, I reached out to the CoverStore to see if they wanted to work with me to do a video to promote their products, and they sent me one of their new Ultima with ripstop covers with a 7-year warranty. So I'm gonna pull this old cover off. With the old cover off, you can see I have a beautiful top. This is recently refinished cedar. I posted a video for that too. But I'm gonna get the new cover on here and then explain some of the other products that they have available. Let me get this new cover on and then we'll take a look at some of the features. Here's a closer look at the strap on the top. You can just lift up on this and pull the whole cover off. Get you in closer so you can see the weave that I was talking about that is the ripstop technology. Coming down to the back left corner, we have the same thing on the front right. There's a cinch strap here that I can pull out and tighten down. I do that when light windstorms are coming through. When heavier storms are coming, just like on my old model, there's a clip in the front and a strap that runs from the back underneath the entire table. And once that's attached, this thing's not going anywhere. The whole table would have to fly off to lose the cover. And here is the vent that runs the whole length of the front that allows it to breathe. So to review, I had the Elite model before. It lasted over 3.5 years. I'm in direct sunlight. There's nothing overhead. That roof is not protecting this. With the 7-year warranty on the Ultima, I don't anticipate ever having any issues for at least the next 7 years, possibly 8 or 9 or more. I eventually want to have a covered deck. If I get my deck covered, I anticipate this lasting well over 10 years. Again, I can't give any guarantees. Head over to coverstore.com and you can check out all the different products they offer. I especially like their patio furniture covers, which we'll be adding once we add on to our deck. You can also come to the grill section and you can shop based on popular brand names and you can see already pre-designed ones, or you can just measure your area and look for one that covers that size. I just wanted you to know about this great quality product. Don't buy those cheap $50 ones from the store. You're going to be replacing them every 6 to 12 months. Go ahead and buy you a quality cover to protect your investment. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.